Important 2 marks questions. Give reasons. Why do stars appear to be twinkling at night? Why is a simple microscope used for watch repairs? Why is an alloy such as nichrome used in electric equipment producing heat, e.g., electric heaters, boilers, toasters instead of pure metals? Why is the value of G 0 at the center of the Earth? Why does atomic radius decrease while going from left to right in a period? Why does metallic character decrease while going from left to right in a period? Why does atomic radius increase down a group? Why do elements belonging to the same group have the same valency? Why does lime water turn milky when the gas formed from heating limestone is passed through it? Why is it recommended to use a specific container for storing certain substances? Why is tungsten metal used to make a solenoid-type coil in an electric bulb? Why do rocks crack and water supply pipes break in cold regions during winter? Why is sodium always kept in kerosene? Important 2 marks questions. Difference between mass and weight. Difference between groups and periods. Difference between AC generator and DC generator. Difference between alternating current and direct current. Difference between farsightedness and nearsightedness. Difference between metal and non-metal. Difference between anode and cathode. Difference between saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. 3 marks questions. Short notes. Explain acceleration due to gravity of Earth. Describe the position of isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table in the modern periodic table. Write the merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Explain Dobrynin's triads and Newland's law of octaves with examples. What is the reaction called where oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously? Explain with an example. Explain the terms reactant and product with examples. Explain Fleming's left-hand rule and right-hand thumb rule. Explain the working of a galvanometer. Explain the concept of regelation. What is the role of anomalous behavior of water in preserving aquatic life in regions of cold climates? Explain Cartesian sign convention. Explain space missions. Explain space missions. Define Kepler's laws. Define Newton's universal law with mathematical proof value. Observe the diagram of rusting of iron and answer the following questions. A. What is rust? B. Write the chemical formula of rust. C. Explain the chemical reactions of rusting. D. Write the reactions on anode and cathode. 5 marks questions. Explain the structure of the modern periodic table. Explain with examples the factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions. A. Nature of the reactant. B. Size of the particles of reactant. C. Concentration of reactant. D. Temperature of reactants. E. Catalyst. Explain an electric motor with a diagram. Explain an electric generator with a diagram. Draw a neat, labeled diagram of Hoffman's apparatus and explain its construction. A rainbow is a combined effect of refraction, dispersion, and total internal reflection of light. Explain. Identify the type of the following reactions of carbon compounds. A. CHCHCHO right pointing arrow CHCHCOOH. B. CHCHCH right pointing arrow 3CO plus 4HO. C. CHCH equals CHCH plus bridge right pointing arrow CHCHBr. 5 marks questions. Continuation of identifying the type of reactions of carbon compounds. D. CHCH plus Cl right pointing arrow CHCHCl plus HeCl. E. CHCHCHCHO right pointing arrow CHCHCH equals CH plus HO. F. CHCHCOOH plus no right pointing arrow CHCH kuna plus HO. G. CHCOOH plus CHO right pointing arrow CHQ CH plus HO. What is meant by the orbit of a satellite? On what basis and how are the orbits of artificial satellites classified? What is meant by an artificial satellite? How a satellite